Hi, my name is Ravinder, and in this video I'll tell you how to get the most out of your smart lighting with the Hue app. It's very easy to control your smart lights with the Hue app on your smartphone and tablet. You can use it to dim the lights or make them even brighter. Of course, you can also simply turn them on and off. You can set them to all kinds of different colors and create lighting scenes. You can give them different colors, create mesmerizing lighting effects, and group lamps into rooms so you can control multiple lights with a single button. And you can connect the app to smart home assistants like Apple's HomeKit, Google Home, or Amazon Alexa. Just say, "Okay Google, dim the lights to 50%. In addition, you can create advanced settings with the Hue app, like timers and other automations, so your lights turn on automatically in the morning, for example, when you wake up, or turn off automatically when you leave the house. You can even set up a presence simulation with it, so it looks like you're home when you're actually away. That's especially convenient if you're going on vacation for a while or are away on a business trip. Do you want to know more about presence simulation and other advanced settings and automations? Then check out this video too, because I'll explain everything there. In the Hue app, you'll find the so-called scene gallery. There, you can choose from all kinds of pre-programmed scenes, which have been specially designed by professional lighting designers. The scenes are categorized based on the style and mood they create. For example, choose Artist Dawn or Savannah Sunset. Would you rather get started yourself? Then create your own light scenes, for example, based on an image like one of a tropical aquarium. Your app will pick out the main colors and creates a light scene for you. Want to know more about creating ambiance and light scenes with Hue? Then check out this video as well. There I explain everything. With the Hue app, you can also group lights into different rooms and zones, like one for each upstairs bedroom, and a zone for the entire floor's lighting. This way you can control an entire floor with one push of a button. To set up a room, open the app and go to the Home tab. Then tap the three dots. You'll automatically see the option to add lights, rooms, and zones. Next, give your room a suitable name, like living room or bedroom. Then select the lights you want in this room by simply tapping them. After assigning the lights, tap Done. To set zones, go to the Home tab and tap the three dots. Select rooms and zones, then tap Add New Zone. Enter a suitable name like ground floor or upstairs. Then choose the rooms or lights you want to add to this zone. When you're done, click Save. You can also use the app to set timers and automations, so your lighting follows your daily routines and you don't have to worry about it anymore. For example, let your lights slowly turn on before your alarm goes off, so you wake up each day to the light of a sunrise. Or set a timer to gradually dim your lights in the evening when it's time for bed, and let them turn off automatically when you fall asleep. This way, your lighting adapts to your natural rhythm, and you'll never have to think about turning off the lights again. Setting a timer is very easy and is a bit like setting an alarm. Open the app and tap the Routines tab. Find and select the Timers option. Set the time, for example 30 minutes, and choose which lights or rooms the timer should control. That can be one specific light or multiple lights in a room or zone. Then decide what should happen once your timer starts. In this example, I let the lights gradually turn off. Give your timer a name so you can easily recognize it, like bedtime. And finally, save the settings. Your timer is now immediately activated. To enjoy all the benefits of your app, you'll need a Hue Bridge. That's a smart hub that connects all your lights and accessories into one large network. Want to know more about the bridge? Then watch this video as well. I'll explain everything about it. Now you know everything about the app and how to use it. Did you enjoy this video and want to know more about smart lamps and your smart devices? Then check out our channel where you'll find much more. Thanks for watching.